swapped cars now. We got the BMW M2. It's a 17 plate. I think it's shit. It's really crap. I'm not a big guy, but I feel like, oh my god, everyone is pressing on my head. The road noise is humongous. I don't like it at all. It is fun though. What we're doing with this car today, we're gonna make a small dipper on the bumper, because the guy, he lives in like 1.5 million house, and he's got a few other expensive cars, old cars and cheapest and stuff, but this is his daily. And he wants me to do it because I was the cheapest, so I said, look, I'm the cheapest, but there's a reason for that. It will not be the high-end top professional finish as you would expect. Be less than that, so yeah, I have to. No, I just want to make it better, but I will show you in a second. I'm just driving towards the yard. It's got no back seats now because it's got a dog inside. It smells in here. Oh my god, some people are really taking the piss on these cars. They shouldn't be treating like that. But anyway, I'll get back to the yard and I will show you what we have to do today. Right, 10 miles on the go. What are my first impressions about this M car? Because I never had an M2. I've been on M4, M5 and the M3 older edition, and I haven't liked those either. I did like the M4 a bit. It feels the seat is better. I can't compare it with the M5. The M5 is the ultimate power cruiser saloon. So yeah, it's a V8. This is like, it's got this DTC gearbox. This is the only positive fact about this car. The DTC or DCT dual clutch control gearbox. This is the only positive. It's really responsive and quite pokey, you know. But other than that, the driving position is really cramped. It's got some plastics around exactly where the knee is, and it's a really hard plastic, which is not comfortable at all. At 70 miles an hour, the road noise is just like a Kia Picanto. It's just, oh my god, I don't know why people would pay money for something like this to daily it. I'll get something like this maybe to take it on track, but I'll definitely get a manual gearbox for that, because it's much more fun with it, it's much more control. But overall, I don't like it at all, and it rains like hell, so you can't really see the whole potential. I mean, I don't want to do it. It's not my car. I'm not taking the piss on other people's car. You have to be respectful, but nah, it didn't convince me. I will still go with the 63 AMG. So we have the Mr. M2 here. Really nice looking only. I don't like it how it drives. So the owner put a scratch around here, this area, and then he bought this magic touch-up paint, which everyone knows does fuck all, especially on this one. Probably on small points and stuff like that you might be make it unseen, but not really. So yeah, this is what we have to do. We have to fix this one up, then I'll just have to re-lacquer all this area here. Sorry about the noise, it's windy. And let's see how it's gonna go. I'll just get my GoPro, put it on fast forward on time lapse, and let's see what we can fix on it. So now I just been around with this. It's the 320 grit to take off all the touch up, and there are a few small marks left, but I can feel them over the fingers, so it will be good to paint over them. So at this stage now we will need no fillers, anything, not even any primer. I reckon we'll go without it. And at this stage you have to scuff everything off, mask everything down and scuff it, get it ready for paint this area here. And then we're gonna lacquer on this corner, on these edges here, like this. We're gonna put a soft edge in there, and then I'll see how I'll try to hide this one here and just go over here to finish the lacquer. And this one will be fully, everything will be masked up. I'll try to remove this. I think it might be coming out. If you try to pull it out, it will help me, but if not, we're gonna just mask it around it. And yeah, should be Easy peasy, 150 pounds job. Yeah.
After
What after?
finish working,
Yeah.
looking computer, Mika, maybe motor good, no good.
Starts, runs. It's good.
No,
Erdogan.
140 milli,
Yeah.
small power, working check. Boom.
Check engine. We will have a look.
130 milli, no problem. 140 milli, boom.
140 miles. You're going too fast.
Yeah, fast,
Too fast.
fast milli,
לא סליתי.
Illegal.
working check.
Fast miles. Illegal. Illegal speed.
Alex,
Yeah.
give me change. Nissan.
What?
Car.
One car.
Yeah, change Nissan.
No, we don't want that.
Not for us.
Please pick that Nissan good.
Not for us.
So much people.
Too many miles.
Cine știi câte ani? Nu mă uitam.
Multe. Cam așa ceva. $30,000 you buy it. Cheap.
No money.
No money. Cheap, come on.
My brother was
You
small
take
money.
this one back to Bulgaria, you're the boss there. Everyone is gonna sell with you.
My brother small money.
Small
one hour working 10 pounds.
10 pounds.
Yeah. I'm working that
O să vad un pic aici cu ea, da? Alright, so we made it to the final stage. There's still a bit of a shade there. But anyway, it's much more visible on camera. Overall, we kinda did it, nearly there. Now we're gonna go with a little bit of tack cloth, and then we're gonna apply the final stages of the lacquer, and job done. And we have the job finished. Came out really well. The blend and everything is fantastic. And yeah, what I can say, really happy with the result. I'm pretty much sure the guy that is paying me to do it for him will be happy as well, you know. So yeah, so this will be the video for today. Quick one. Stay with me because I will upload the Kant story soon. The Kant C #NT customer. And it will be a funny story because he just contacted me actually yesterday, and complaining about issues with the car, which are pretty much silly ones, but stay with me. You will find out soon. So we just dropped off the M2 to its owner, and I came to a conclusion. My old boat Mercedes is still better than that one. Rides better, it's more economical. And yeah, still love it. I'm still not ready for the newer cars after 2010, to be honest.